While we mourn their absence, we stand in deep gratitude for their life they led and the unwavering dedication they showed to the cause of Christ. Their labor was not in vain. Their influence remains woven in the very fabric of our church and this general assembly. As a token of love and sincere expression of our appreciation for the selfless service they render to the Presbyterian Church of India, we now take a moment to honor their memory. Their commitment to the gospel and their tireless effort in the vineyard of the Lord continue to inspire us